Cousin. I knew you'd answer. It's been a minute, pero sé que están curiosos to know who's our next interviewee en la serie donde tu host y prima favorita, me, Jennifer Mota, has dope conversations con artistas de Latinoamérica who are emerging, existing creatively liberated, and breaking barriers. And the best part is that we get to really experience and learn about their creative processes and journey straight out of their homes, straight out of their creative spaces and studios. And as always, I know y'all gonna love our next guest. Because si te gustan las canciones con sentimiento, romantiqueo, or R&B, our next guest is somebody you're definitely gonna want to support. So, asegúrense de ver nuestro próximo episodio alongside Ulyss, Argentina's very own R&B emerging star. And yes, as always, we dove into his upbringing, but what I found interesting was how he built his at-home studio. And if you're currently in the process of creating one, you're going to want to hear this. And I know you're in a hurry, but before you go, make sure to follow Symphonic Latino in all digital platforms.